Grandpa wore his suit to dinner nearly every day. No particular reason, he just dressed that way. Brown necktie and a matching vest, and both his wingtip shoes. He built the closet on our back porch and put a penny in a burned out fuse. Grandpa was a carpenter, built houses, stores, and banks. Chain smoked Camel cigarettes and hammered nails and planks. He would level on the level, he shaved even every door, and voted for Eisenhower, cause Lincoln won the war. Well, he used to sing me Blood on the Saddle and rock me on his knee, and let me listen to the radio before we got TV. Well, he'd drive to church on Sunday, and he'd take me with him too. Stained glass in every window, hearing aids in every pew. Grandpa was a carpenter, built houses, stores, and banks. Chain smoked Camel cigarettes and hammered nails and planks. He would level on the level, shaved even every door, and voted for Eisenhower, cause Lincoln won the war.